Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get help with Microsoft Authenticator on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap the three dots at the top corner of your screen, then tap on Settings. Scroll down and look for Help and Support. Here you will find articles and tips directly from Microsoft. If you need more help, open Safari on your iPhone and go to Microsoft Support website. Search for Authenticator app issues and you will see step-by-step guides, troubleshooting tips and contact options. Now you can also contact Microsoft Support directly on the support page. You can choose chat, phone or email support. Explain your issue clearly like I can't log in or I need to remove my account, and they will guide you step by step. And that's it. Getting help with Microsoft Authenticator on your iPhone is simple and easy. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.